The KUPER QFS 850 specializes in cutting stacks of material to length quickly and accurately, and perfectly complements the single or double knife guillotines. A compact and ergonomic design enables a wide range of applications. The operators decide from which side and direction they would like to work. Select the right side. Set fence. Done. The wide feed makes stacking particularly easy and convenient. The length measurements can be easily read off 2 measuring tapes. With all KUPER machines, operator safety is paramount. A 2-hand safety operation protects against accidents, and the acrylic glass guard protects against unintentional operations, maintaining a very good view of the interface. Rough edges? Not with the KUPER QFS. Thanks to extremely powerful vertical knife movements, tear-free cutting of a wide variety of materials is guaranteed. The cutting line is indicated by a green directional light. The pressure bar and knife are lowered simultaneously for a precise cut. KUPER Precise. Removal of veneers can take place on both sides of the interface. Positioning is possible from the right, left, or with 2 machines simultaneously on both sides of a lateral veneer guillotine. The KUPER QFS 850 ideally complements for fast, easy, and precise cutting, and effortlessly processes a wide variety of materials. We're here to provide individual advice. Our KUPER service will also support you after the purchase and make sure that things keep running smoothly for you.